Using Snap tutorial Sen2Cor processor on CentOS7. Open Snap. Go to the menu Help, submenu Help Contents. In the Search tab of the Help window, type Sen2Cor and press Enter. Choose the Sen2Cor installation topic, and follow the link for installation instructions. Once the browser opens the link, click on Software User Manual. Go to page 32 to follow the installation procedure. The Sen2Cor 2.3.0 was developed and tested with Anaconda 4.2.0, as it can be deduced from the Anaconda update chapter. Anaconda 4.2.0 was the latest version when the Sen2Cor 2.3.0 was released. This is why I strongly recommend using Anaconda 4.2.0. If you plan using Anaconda and you have any other version of Anaconda, you will need to uninstall it first, and then follow the next steps. Download the Anaconda, search for Anaconda 4.2.0 in web, and follow the archive link. Choose the proper package of Anaconda 2 version 4.2.0. For my machine, it would be this one. Then, install Anaconda according to the default recommendations of the Anaconda installer. Test your Anaconda installation by opening a command line window, and type conda. If the installation succeeded, it should display the helping information about Anaconda. Getting to the Sen2Cor installation, follow the link to download the archive. After the download finishes, extract the archive by using the command line given in the instructions. In the extraction folder, open a command line window, and type python setup.py install. Follow the instructions by typing the Y letter when it is requested. When the installation finishes, check that the installer created a script file called L2A-RC under the Sen2Cor home directory selected during the installation. By default, this location is home username Sen2Cor. Now, the installation instructions show two ways to use this script. The first option is to call the script via the -rc, or profile script file, located under your user home directory. And the second option is to call the script manually each time a new terminal is opened, and any operation that needs to use the Sen2Cor should be opened in the same terminal. Next, in this tutorial, we will use the first option, since it is enough to set up for the first time. Depending on the operating system, the solution is to call the Sen2Cor bash file either via the -rc or the profile file. On the current platform, which is a CentOS7, the profile script is executed on startup or login. So it will be enough to log out or restart the operating system. Instead, the -rc script is executed when a new terminal is opened, so the Snap application will need to be started by using a terminal, and, in this case, a restart or logout is not necessary. Depending on preferences, one option or the other can be used. In this tutorial, the option with the logout action will be presented. So, let us edit the profile file. If the file is not available under the home directory, create it and edit by editing the L2A-RC file execution, with the location of the file, relative to the profile file location. Next, log out or restart the operating system. When the system starts again, test the installation by calling the processor via L2A process ---- help in a new terminal. If no error is received, the installation is successful. So we installed the Anaconda and the Sen2Cor. Now we need to integrate Sen2Cor with Snap, so that we can use it in Snap. First, we need to install the Sen2Cor plugin, if it was not already installed. Go to the menu Tools, submenu Plugins and check the tab Available Plugins. Check the Sentinel-2 Sen2Cor processor checkbox and click Install. If the processor is not in the list, it means it was already installed, so you can go to the Update step. In the Plugins window, go to Tab Updates. Press the button Check for updates. If any modules are available, click the Update button. Restart the Snap application. Launch Snap and go to the menu Tools, submenu Manage External Tools. In the Tools table, click the Sen2Cor processor and click the button Edit. In the editing window, check the System Variables area, and see if the 3 values were updated with the local paths of the 2 tools just installed. If not, this means the script file created by Sen2Cor application was not executed by the system. In this case, we can try the other option, which means to move the script execution from the profile file to the bashrc file. Then, close the Snap application and open a new terminal. Go to the Snap application installation directory and run Snap from the terminal. This should solve the problem, and this time the locations should be populated. Open the Sentinel product, level 1C. Wait for the product to load. After the product is loaded, go to the menu Optical, submenu Thematic Lens Processing, submenu Sen2Cor. The Sen2Cor window is the window of a classic Snap operator, having 2 tabs: I/O parameters and processing parameters. In the first tab, choose the source product as the product we have just opened. Next, Processing Parameters tab contains the resolution. You should change the resolution value according to the one of your input product. Finally, check Display Execution Output to be able to see the Sen2Cor processor output messages, and click Run. This step may take a while, so be patient. When the operation finishes, check if the Level 2A product was opened in Snap. If not, this can happen according to the process exit code. We can check if the product was created in same location as the original product. The output product file will have the same name as the input one, but with L1C replaced by L2A, and a pair replaced by user. If the product is present, open it in Snap. Otherwise, please address the issue to the step forum. Open the same band in the original, and in the process product. Check the pixel values in both bands, and we can see the values are changed according to the atmospheric corrections. Thank you for watching.